Speak, B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash hands-free order dashboard auto processing in real time. I'll be straight with you, before you pay $49.90 a month for AutoDS, there is a billing trap that caught me off guard in month 2. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Shopify store with products auto-populating, zero inventory. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash zero manual orders. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash AutoDS handles sourcing, listing, and fulfillment across 25 plus suppliers. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash here is what it actually costs. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash AI product finder scanning AliExpress and Walmart results. The AI product finder scans 25 suppliers, AliExpress, Amazon, Walmart. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash it shows estimated profit margins before you list anything. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash you see the numbers before you commit. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash screen recording of order auto placing on supplier site, fulfilled by AutoDS logs into your supplier account and places every order for you. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash every sale, handled automatically. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash zero copy paste. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash zero login. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash comment below. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash are you still doing this by hand? B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash 3-column comparison grid animating onto screen, AutoDS. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash 25 plus suppliers, full automation. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Spocket. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash curated US/EU products, $39.99 a month, faster shipping. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Sears. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash AliExpress only, free, zero automation. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash AutoDS wins on breadth. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Spocket wins on speed. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash which one are you running? Drop it below. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash pricing page with credit calculator revealing true totals. Here is the trap. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash starter. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $14.97 a month, import only, no automation. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash advanced. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $49.90, full suite. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash but every auto-fulfilled order costs 30 cents to 50 cents in extra credits on top of your plan. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash real monthly cost runs 3 to 4 times the base price. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash that is what the BBB complaints are about. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash animated rating card sliding in with score. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash 7.8 out of 10. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash best for Shopify sellers already making $1K plus monthly who want hands-free repricing in fulfillment. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash skip it if you have not launched yet. AutoDS does not build your store. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash the automation is real. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash the price transparency is not. B-roll, break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash subscribe animation with bell icon, link in the description. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.